Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through step-by-step process on how to use mobile mind mapping apps for brainstorming. Download a popular mind mapping app like Xmind, MindNote, or SimpleMind from your app store. Now, open the app and start a new mind map by tapping plus or new project on the main screen. Enter your central idea or topic in the main root node that appears automatically. Here, add branches or subnodes by tapping Add, plus, or dragging from the central node. Fill each branch with key points, related ideas, or supporting thoughts around your main topic. Use colors, icons, and images to visually organize ideas and make the map more engaging. Rearrange nodes by dragging them around for better flow, grouping, or clarity. Save your mind map, then export it as a PDF, image, or text file for sharing or review. Revisit and update your map anytime to refine ideas or expand your brainstorming sessions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.